guys! Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, mag-a-unbox naman tayo! So yung una kong video, na-unbox ko na siya. So meron naman akong video, kaso nasira yung voice niya, nawala. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. Hindi ako marinig. So, natanggal ko na siya. Actually, na-unbox ko na siya. Nasira lang yung audio. So, ngayon, i-continue ko lang yung pag-unbox o pag-record o pag-review natin nitong Google Nest Mini. Wow! So, ito yung ano niya, kailangan nyo siyang ilagay kasi ito yung power adapter niya. So, kailangan nyo ring mag-download ng sa app ng Google Home para mag-connect siya. So, may yung tutorial and the review is next. Wow! So, kung gusto nyo malaman kung maganda ba siya, si Google Nest, hindi daw siya si Alexa, siya daw si Google. So, kung gusto nyo malaman kung maganda ba siya, just keep on watching! So first, we need to connect the power adapter to the Google Nest Mini. So, kukonect natin siya. Ito siya. Then, sa power supply. Ayan. So, get started and then yan. So, hanapin nyo lang yung Google Mini. So, hintayin natin. Then, download nyo itong Google Home.
Hi, to get started, download the Google Home app on a phone or tablet. The mic's off.
So, kailangan nating i-on yung mic.
By the way, the mic's off. To turn it back on, slide the switch on the back
Ayan
of this
siya.
device.
I-on natin siya.
The mic's back on.
Ayan na, na-on na. Wait lang natin na mag-connect siya. Ayan na siya. So, next. So, magko-connect na sila. Did you hear the sound? Yes. Yes, I'm in. Where is it located? In bedroom. Then help your assist turn on. Teach your assistant to recognize your voice. Hi, Alexa. Hi, Alexa. Okay, Google. What's the weather like tomorrow? Okay, Google. Remind me to water my plants every Monday. Hey, Google. Make a call. Hey, Google. Set a timer for 5 minutes. Then may email na isasend sa inyo. Almost done. Then next. So, ituturo sa atin kung paano siya. So, play and pause. Tap the center of your Nest Mini. So, yun. So, pag tinap, next, change volume. Tap the right to change the volume. So, sabi dito, when something is playing, the lights will turn on as your hand gets close. Then, next natin, mic switch. To turn off the mic, slide to show orange. The lights on top will also turn orange. The next, just start with Hey Google.
Hi, how can I help?
Play some music.
I can't do that here, but you can ask me to play it on one of your other devices.
Hey Google.
That's me. How can I help?
Hey Google. What's the weather today?
In Manila today, there'll be scattered thunderstorms with a forecast high of 31 and a low of 27. Currently, it's 29 degrees and partly cloudy.
Hi Alexa.
I'm flattered, but that's not me.
Oh.
I'm your Google Assistant. What can I do for you?
Okay. Hi Google. What time is it?
It's 10:33 a.m.
Hey Google. Find my phone.
I found a few phones. The first listed is your CPH2083. Should I ring it?
Wow. Yes.
Sure, your Oppo phone should be ringing now.
Wow. Hindi naman Apple ko yun ah. Hindi ko naman to Apple ah. Google, what's the latest news? Google? Google? Hello? Hi, Google? Hi? Ayaw mo. Hi, Google? Uy, wala. Hi, Google, what's the latest news? Hi, Google, what's the latest news? Hi, Google, what's the latest... Hi, Google! Google! Bakit ayaw niya? Google! Hirap na ako. Alawis na ako, besh! Bakit ayaw niya na?
Sumisigaw ka lang eh. Hindi ka naiintindihan.
Hirap na ako, Google! Google? Hey, Google? What's the latest news?
Here's the latest news. From Keep Up with the Times at 1:28 a.m. today.
Good day. Here are the stories for the Manila Times for Sunday, August 1, 2021. The government will provide ayuda or cash aids to residents who will be affected by the enhanced community quarantine or ECQ that will be imposed in Metro Manila to prevent the spread of the highly transmissible Delta variant of the coronavirus disease 2019 or COVID-19 starting in August on Kanyang on Saturday. On a spokesman for the 2019 World Champion second mark, followed by a left straight to the face. 12 seconds.
Stop!
Hey,
Google, tell me all the 7 names of BTS.
On the website time.com, they say, the number 7 is significant for BTS for both obvious and less well-known reasons. For one thing, the band is made up of 7 members: Suga, V, Jungkook, Jimin, Jin, and J-Hope. To find out more, look for the link in your Google Home or Google Assistant app.
Hey Google, who is the YouTuber Valkyrie?
According to Wikipedia, Rachel Hofstetter, better known by her online alias Valkyrie, is an American internet personality. A recipient of a Game Award, she was dubbed the Queen of YouTube after becoming the platform's most watched female streamer in 2021.
Amazing.
Hey Google, who is Disguised Toast?
According to Wikipedia, Jeremy Wong, better known by the alias Disguised Toast, is a Taiwanese-Canadian streamer, YouTuber, and internet personality. He got his start on YouTube, creating videos about the digital card game Hearthstone.
Thank you for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification button para updated ka pag may bago akong video. Maraming salamat!